So in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your Xbox controller with your Android device. This is my Samsung. So for that, you have to turn on your Xbox first, press and hold this button, and then you have to enable your Bluetooth option. Press and hold this icon also for 6 seconds. Uh, Light is ups and down. That's mean your Bluetooth is enabled. And now you have to open your mobile Bluetooth option, press on Bluetooth and wait a couple of seconds. This is the device Xbox wireless controller, so you have to press on it. It's pairing now. You have to select pair and wait a couple of seconds to successfully pair. Yes, it's connected now. So now you can play any kind of game with this device. So this is how you can easily connect your Xbox controller with your Android device. So hope video helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.